The ultimate three daughters.
Para tayong tanga dito. Ito kasi ngayon ko lang nakita eh.
But then I get it and I still
Ito yung gaya ng ate ko. Ayun, sobrang maldita.
Cause I woke up with a good thing laying by my side. I woke up to some birds singing, they look I'm alive. I got my family, Jesus, and my health.
Sarap. Parang bumibigay na.
Basta gwapa, may okay rami.
Good thing laying by my side.
Stephanie.
Jesus and my health.
Atomic bar. Pagkaman atomic bar. Atomic show kung pagkahong magana.
Oh no. I need nothing else. Nothing else, nothing.
Ready ka na? Anong ready? Tumakbo o ano? Siyempre. Nab ko yung ating.
Yun o.
Ayun o.
As I hold you in my arms tonight, I don't ever wanna close.
Actually, we just met in Facebook dating site. And
Nagkainuman kami sa Manila. And then doon nag-start ang lahat.
to the moment na parang, I just feel na itong lalaki na to, parang gusto ko na makasama habang buhay.
Until, ayun, nagkainlaban. Ito na. Dito na ngayon. Kasala na.
Oh, I watch you change and I watch you.
Thank you for being there with me always and being a good father to our daughters. Thank you for accepting me to your life. Alam mo naman kung gaano ako papasaway, pero nandyan ka pa rin. Na hindi nagsasawang umintindi sa kumalditahan ko. Ikaw yung lalaki na nakikita ko na magiging katuwang ko sa habang buhay.
Everything I am. Someday when you go, I hope you'll understand.
Marriage is a special covenant. A special covenant of a permanent contract. A special contract and a permanent union between man and wife.
And I know that you might bend low.
Yung dream girl ko na pinapangarap na hindi maldita, mainhin, matured, responsable na babae, masikaso. Lahat ng yun, wala sa inyo. Malapit mo kasi. Pero habang tumatagal, lagi tayo nagkakakita at nagkakasama. Nakita ko yung uniqueness mo na wala sa iba. Thank you. At dumating ka sa aking buhay.
Everything I am. Someday when you go, I hope you understand that when seasons start to change and the world takes me away, I'll keep coming round like summer. Someday when I walk you down the aisle, and it's me and you for one last time.
Marriage entails sacrifice.
Just like
It entails self-giving. It entails giving oneself for the sake of the beloved. Manolito, andam ka magsakripisyo alang ni Maria Angelica? Andam ka? Andam kang magpasan og cross alang ni Maria Angelica?
Yes, Father. No problem.
When I'm overwhelmed within from the weight of all my sin, I need a
Ipapangako na magiging mabuting asawa naman sa'yo at mambubudol sa'yo habang buhay sa ayaw at sa gusto mo. God bless us always, P, and I love you.
Feel known. Can someone help me? Then I hear you reply, bringing teardrops to my eyes.
Manolito, at my count, ha? Manolito, you may now kiss your wife.
Oh Lord, I need you now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pagani. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.